Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Canon EOS M50. A little bit of an upgrade for the channel. I am using a Panasonic Lumix FC300 right now. That has been my current camera for the past couple of years. But I decided while this camera was on sale, I'd go ahead and upgrade. So we're going to check it out and see how it performs. So we've got this big old user's manual right here. It's about 3 languages in there. Still pretty big though. Got a registration card for the warranty. And then in here we have a Canon EOS strap. Put that off to the side. It's going to be on a tripod. Right here we have our lens and some bubble wrap. This is a 15 to 55, I believe, lens. You can get this bundled with another lens, but I didn't need that right now, so I saved a little bit of money and got the single lens. And I will buy additional lenses as I need them, based on my needs. It is a 15 to 45 millimeter with the image stabilizer. Down here we have the battery. I'll need to pick up a couple extra ones of these as well. I need to see if I can find a power kit for this camera to plug it into the wall like I had on my Panasonic. Right here we have the body of the camera itself, again in some bubble wrap and some plastic. Very, very compact and lightweight compared to the Panasonic I was using. So if you're going to be doing any kind of traveling or anything like that, this is definitely a go-to camera for that. Very large screen. Got a plug here for your mic, which I will be using for the Rode video mic I have. Right here we have USB and HDMI, so you can plug it into a TV or computer to transfer images without having to take your SD card out. Right here on the bottom we have your battery door and your SD card slot, as well as your tripod mount. Little Wi-Fi button on the side there to turn the Wi-Fi on so you can wirelessly transfer images. Last thing we have in the box here is the battery charger. So you do have to remove the battery and put it in the charger to charge it. It doesn't charge in the camera itself. So you just plug that into the wall and slide your battery on in. I'm going to go ahead and put the lens on here real quick, just to show you guys what it looks like. So we'll take off the dust cap. Take off the dust cap on the lens. And there's a little button on the side of the camera right here on the right side. So I'm going to go ahead and line it up, and you'll hold down that button and that pushes in the release, and then you just have to find the grooves and the lens will slide in and kind of snap in, and then it twists to lock. It did take me a second to find the actual orientation that it went in, but once I found that, just twist in and locks and it snaps into place. There we go. We've got your zoom lock right here, so just push that and twist over and you have your zoom settings, and then you can zoom in and out and lock it back into place. And this is the Canon EOS M50. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll have a great day.